Tesla hosts Rome mayor for first Italian FSD supervised. Tesla definitely seems to be actively engaging European officials on FSD's capabilities, with the company hosting Rome Mayor Roberto Gualtieri and Mobility Assessor Eugenio Patanè for a hands-on road demonstration. The event marked the first time an Italian mayor tested the advanced driver assistance system in person in Rome's urban streets. This comes amid Tesla's push for FSD's EU regulatory approvals in the coming year. Rome officials experience FSD supervised. Tesla conducted the demo using a Model 3, equipped with full self-driving supervised, tackling typical Roman traffic including complex intersections, roundabouts, pedestrian crossings and mixed users like cars, bikes and scooters. The system showcased AI-based assisted driving, prioritizing safety while maintaining flow. FSD also handled overtakes and lane decisions, though with constant driver supervision. Investor Andrea Stroppa detailed the event on X, noting the system's potential to reduce severe collision risks by up to 7 times compared to traditional driving, based on Tesla's data from billions of global fleet miles. The session highlighted FSD's role as an assistance tool in its supervised form, not a replacement, with the driver fully responsible at all times. Path to European rollout. Tesla has logged over 1 million kilometers of testing across 17 European countries, including Italy, to refine FSD for local conditions. The fact that Rome officials personally tested FSD supervised bodes well for the program's approval, as it suggests that key individuals are closely watching Tesla's efforts and innovations. Assessor Patanè also highlighted the administration's interest in technologies that boost road safety and urban travel quality, viewing them as aids for both private and public transport while respecting rules. Replies on X urged involving Italy's transport ministry to speed approvals, with one user noting, "Great idea to involve the mayor. It would be necessary to involve components of the Ministry of Transport and the government as soon as possible. It's they who can accelerate the approval of FSD in Italy." Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.